Today I will lecture start with MSc part first, paper 2 unit first, inorganic reaction mechanism. The next point in this chapter is the outer sphere electron transfer. Then outer sphere refers to an electron transfer events that occurs between chemical species that remain separate and intact before, during and after the electron transfer event. In contrast, for inner sphere electron transfer, the participating redox sites undergoing electron transfer become connected by a chemical bridge. Because of the electron transfer in outer sphere electron transfer occurs between two non-connected spaces, the electron is forced to move through the space from one redox center to the other. Second theory is the Marcus theory. The main theory that describes the rates of outer sphere electrons transfer was developed by Rudolf Marcus in the 1950s. A major aspect of Marcus theory is the dependence of the electron transfer rate on the thermodynamic driving force, difference in the redox potential of the electron exchanging site. For most reactions, the rates increase with increased driving force. A second aspect is that the rate of outer sphere electron transfer depends inversely on the reorganizational energy. Reorganization energy describes the changes in bond length and angles that are required for the oxidant and reductant to switch their oxidation state. This energy is assembled by measurements of the self-exchange rates. The outer sphere electrons transfer is the most common type of electron transfer, especially in biochemistry, where redox centers are separated by several angstrom by intervening proteins. In biochemistry, there are two main types of outer sphere electron transfer between two biological molecules, or fixed distance electron transfer, in which the electron transfer within a single biomolecule, for example, intraprotein. Then the example is self-exchange. Outer sphere electron transfer can occur between chemical species that are identical in specs for their oxidation state. This process is termed self-exchange. An example is the degenerate reaction between the tetrahedral ions permanganate and magnet. For octahedral metal complexes, the rate constant for self-exchange reaction correlate with changes in the populations of the EG orbitals, the population of which most strongly affect the length of metal ligand bond. For example, for the pair self-exchange process at 10 raised to 9 mole per inverse second inverse. In this case, electron configuration changes from cobalt first for the pair self-exchange process in the 18 mole per inverse second inverse. In this case, the electron configuration changes from cobalt 2 plus. The next example is the iron sulfur protein. Outer sphere electron transfer is the basis of the biological functions of the iron sulfur protein. The Fe center are typically further coordinated by cysteine ligands. The Fe4S4 electron transfer protein, Fe4S4 ferredoxin, may be further subdivided into low potential bacterial type and high potential ferredoxin. Low and high potential ferredoxin are related by the following redox scheme. Because of the small structural difference between the individual redox states, electron transfer is rapid between this cluster.